Let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is sitting at 88,500 right now. And the overall situation of Bitcoin has not changed. We want Bitcoin to live above $90,000 for more than 2 days. And Bitcoin is always very kind that it doesn't bother with the faking. First time when it went up, in the second candle, it dropped enough to let you know. Same case scenario over here. In first candle, it closed above $90,000. In second candle, it dropped as fast as it could to let us know that it is not closing above this area. Now, $90,000 is our hope for the journey towards 97,300. If it is not doing that, then that means that we are going back towards $85,000, and that is exactly what we are seeing right now. $85,000 is pretty much reliable support. We have dropped below it, but if you look at it on daily basis, if you look at all the candles on daily, you would pretty much conclude that while it looks like a weak support, it is not, because we have wicks below it, but the overall candles bodies, they are staying above this area. So $85,000 is a good area of support, and I would be relying on it until and unless we have two full daily candles with the bodies below it. Then I would conclude we have started the beautiful journey towards $74,000. All in all, nothing has changed. The market is right now full of rumors. We are expecting the event of 7th of March, which is the White House Crypto Summit. And this event, from my perspective, because 70% of the time it is buy the rumor, sell the news, I'm expecting this event to be the same. The way the market is behaving is also pointing in that direction, until unless they come out and they conclude something really nice in this crypto summit, and they say that here are the documents, we have approved everything is approved by everyone, and from tomorrow we are going to buy Bitcoin. I don't expect Bitcoin to move, and I don't expect anything to happen, to be very honest with you. I think that the overall situation of Bitcoin can only change, and it can get really bullish. When I say really bullish, I'm talking about $250,000 and above, if they actually start buying Bitcoin. Look, it's all about I'm going to kill you, I'm going to blow your head, I'm going to pin your head to the wall, I'm going to fuck you up, and I'm going to do this, and I'm going to do that. All that stuff, everyone can say it, until and unless you actually do it. So there is a difference between battery, and there is a difference between actually saying stuff. Until and unless we don't see this thing in action, there is nothing that you can say would hold water. For me, all of this stuff is just a political stunt, and it's a good gimmick to attract and appeal to those who have supported you in your election campaign, both the voters and those who have filled your pockets. So I think from both those angles, it is a good methodology. But until and unless we don't see this thing in action, you can say anything. You can come out and say you are Jesus Christ. You can post about it every day. That doesn't make you Jesus Christ. The reality is that until and unless we don't see something in action, we wouldn't believe any of that. And that's the same case scenario over here. So it's very straightforward case scenario. And right now, Bitcoin has a probability of creating a double top. Now, it's not reliable because we are sitting in an extremely volatile market, but I just wanted to give you a heads up. We see one top here, and then if it comes down to 81,700, we will have another top. And then from there, things can start getting interesting. We had an opportunity of a double bottom, but of course, it took a U-turn. There's nothing to add, to be very frank with you. If it is not living above $90,000, there is no upward story. The only thing we can expect it to go down towards 85, and that's it. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment. And I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.